have two buttons over here, guys, and each of these buttons is going to pay me $1. Alright, each of them, which means I can easily earn $2 for myself. With my calculation, $2 is currently very close to 3,500 naira. Okay, so which means you can get up to 3,000 naira for yourself every single day on this platform. So on this particular section here, you're going to see this is $12 active on this account. I just want to let you know exactly how it happens on this platform. Okay, you have the daily check-in section where you can easily get daily sign-in bonuses, right? So if you click on the button that says sign in now, you are going to get $1 for today, and tomorrow you can come back to this page and get another $1 for yourself. Okay, you can easily contact their customer support in case you have any question about this app. This is the icon to contact their customer support, right? So if you click on it, you are going to see a section like this. Just click on this section that says official customer service, then you are going to connect with them on Telegram and ask your questions, right? You can easily download their app right here by clicking on app. To get started on this app, visit the description of this particular video, or you can check the comment section as well. I'm going to pin the link to register. Okay, so once you click on that sign up link, you are going to land on this page. Just put in your email address, put in a password for your account, re-enter your password, then scroll down right here. You are going to see a code right here. Input that code right here, then click on sign up. Okay, I already have an account. All you want to do right now is to actually go ahead and go through this particular announcement so you get to understand exactly how this platform works properly, right? So if you scroll down, you are going to see more information about them, and you get to understand them properly before you go into it. Okay, so click on this I know right here so you can close this pop-up. Now the very first thing you want to do immediately after your registration is to go over to this VIP page. That is basically how you make money on this app, right? So on this VIP page, you are going to see some VIP packages that you can easily unlock and make daily income for yourself, right? So it starts from this particular one of VIP one. This one costs you $12. I'm currently on this VIP one right now, and it's going to be giving you $2 every single day, right? So if you scroll down, you are going to see another one that costs you $72, which is going to be paying you $12 every single day. This one is going to cost you $300, and they're going to be paying you $50 every single day. If you scroll down, you are going to see more of them like that. They have it down to the one of VIP 10. Okay, now before you actually unlock any VIP package right here, remember you are investing your money, and you actually worked for that money, guys. Okay, make sure you go ahead and do your own research before you invest your money right here, because this is not a financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. This is just an opportunity I discovered on the internet, paying people. I tried it and it paid me. Of course, you all are going to see the withdrawal proof towards the end of this video. Okay, so that is the reason why I'm sharing with you. I didn't create this app, guys. I don't even know who created it. So right now, let's go ahead and unlock one of these packages. You can see I already unlocked this VIP one, and let me show you exactly how I did it. Okay, so I actually went over to this particular home page right here, and from the home page, you are going to click on this recharge option right here. So that is how you are going to make recharge into your account. You are going to see some options right here: the BEP20, the TRC20, TRX, and BNB. Now I'm going to recommend just two of them, this BEP20 and also the TRC20. Okay, now comparing the two of them together, now let me give you the best one. If you are transferring BEP20 from any crypto wallet, the charges, the gas fee is always very low compared to when you are transferring TRC20. So apparently I'm going to recommend BEP20. Okay, so just click on BEP20, then on this page you are going to be given a wallet address, right? So just copy the wallet address given to you by clicking on the copy button in front of it. Then go ahead to your wallet, maybe your Bybit wallet, Trust wallet, Binance, or any other crypto wallet that you're using, and after your transfer, come over here and click on recharge complete. Immediately after the transfer and you click on the recharge complete button, start checking the main page. Okay, on the main page you are then going to find your money right here, your $12. So that is exactly how I did my recharge, and I had $12 on my balance right here. Immediately after that, the VIP package is now going to be unlocked automatically for you because you've recharged $12 into your account. If it is not unlocked automatically, just come to the VIP page, then click on the button under it that says unlock now. Okay, once you click on that button, you are going to see a pop-up. Just click on this confirm right here, and you are going to unlock the VIP automatically. So the next thing you want to do now is to go over to the task page, and on this task page you are going to see some buttons right here. So these two buttons are what is going to earn you your income, that is your daily income. Click on this to complete button right here. You are going to get your first $1 under the second section as well. Then you have to wait patiently and get another $1. So the combination of the two now is $2. Okay, so which means $2 in just 6 days, I'm going to get up to the amount I invested. And after then, I will start getting my profit, okay? So now I'm going to go back to the main page right now, and you are definitely going to see that my balance has now increased to $14, okay? So I can easily place withdrawal right now, guys. But before I place withdrawal, let me show you how to earn more money on the platform. In fact, this is very, very important if you want to make more and more money on this app. Do not rely only on the daily income. Make sure you invite your friends, okay? So go over to the invite page, the team page, and once you click on it, you are going to see your invitation code right here. Or you can just copy your entire invitation link by clicking on copy in front of it, then send the link to your friends that are coming on board. Now, on the main page, you can easily place withdraw by clicking on this withdraw button. You are still going to find the withdraw button on the home page as well if you want to use the home page. So if I click on withdraw right there, I'm going to land on the withdrawal page. So all I have to do is to actually enter my BEP20 USDT address, okay? So I'm going to enter the amount I want to withdraw first of all. So I'm currently having $2, right? Then I'm going to put in my BEP20 wallet address. So from my Bybit assets page, this is my assets page. I'll click on deposits, and once I click on deposit, I have to land here. I'm going to click on deposit crypto under that section. Then I'm going to go ahead and select USDT. If you can't find it here, just search for it. You are going to find it. Once you click on it, you are going to land on this page. You are going to see a lot of options right here, right? So just pick BSC BEP20, okay? So that is the assets. That is the network they are requesting for. Now I'm going to go ahead and click on the copy icon in front of the address. Then I'm going back to the app now to paste the address in here. So once I'm done doing that, I will enter my account password. Then I'm going to go ahead and click on confirm right here, okay? So we just have to wait patiently to receive the withdrawal into our wallet right now, okay? And while we wait to receive it, if it's your first time coming across this channel, do not forget to smash the subscribe button down below so you keep getting more updates like this from this channel. Also, make sure you like this video so that more audience will get to benefit from this particular opportunity that I just shared. Also, if you have any question, just go down there into the comment section, drop your questions down there, and I'm going to be available to respond as fast as light, okay? The best to check every single day. You can check the task page to claim your daily income on the task page, okay? But do not forget, this is your money. It is something that you worked for. Make sure you invest wisely, okay? So now the withdrawal has been confirmed. As you can see, it says deposit amount to USDC has now been confirmed, right? So which means it has successfully dropped into my Bybit wallet. So by this time tomorrow, I'm going to get the same amount of money. But this is going to be the end of the video, and I believe you learned one or two stuff right here.